Guys, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to video call on Android. For this, go for your phone app, then choose that person. Okay, then you can see I have three options here: video call, message and history. So just tap on video call and you can video call. So yeah, another way, you can go for message and you can see there is a video call icon here. So just tap on it and you can also call that person with via this video call icon. So yeah, this is how you can video call on Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.